everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Sony WH-1000XM5 1000XM5 headphones not working on PC or Windows 11. In order to fix the connection, you could watch this video right till the end. If the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones aren't working on your Windows PC, you could try these steps. The first one is you could check Bluetooth connection and settings. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. So for that, you want to open up the settings. So go to the search bar and type in settings. And here you want to go and locate Bluetooth and devices. Make sure to toggle the button right over here in order to turn it on. After which you would go and click on add a device and manually enter in the information. If you have actually done it, so that should be able to help you out. If not, you could also check device role. Make sure that the headphones are set as a default output and input device for sound in a sound settings. For that, you want to go to the sound or system and then scroll down a bit and locate sound. Here it is, and here as per the input, you want to go ahead and make sure to select the default one as the particular headphone, and then for the input as well, you want to do the same thing. That should be able to help you out, or else you could actually go ahead and check sound output or input settings. So right click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select sound. So right click on the mouse when you locate and go to sound settings. So when you go to sound settings here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and go to more sound settings. Once you have actually done it, so here you could actually go ahead and locate the particular headset. You could actually go ahead and connect it by doing it so, or else you could also verify the output devices, and that should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it so, or else you could try restarting both the device and once again reconnecting it and see that works or not. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.